Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda Click cam chain tensioner. A properly tensioned cam chain is crucial for your engine's smooth operation and longevity. We'll cover how to recognize when an adjustment is needed, the basic tools you'll use, and a straightforward process to ensure your engine runs quietly and efficiently. This simple maintenance can prevent more significant issues down the road. How do you know it's time for an adjustment? The most common sign is a distinct rattling or ticking noise coming from your engine, particularly noticeable when it's idling or at lower revolutions per minute. Before you begin, you'll need a few essential tools, typically an 8mm wrench and a 10mm socket. Having a clean rag and good lighting will also make the process much smoother. To adjust, first locate the cam chain tensioner, which is typically found on the right side of your Honda Click engine. You might need to remove some fairings or the airbox for better access. Once located, gently loosen the two small 8mm bolts on the tensioner body. As you loosen them, the automatic mechanism should extend, and you'll hear a subtle click as it takes up slack. Immediately red-tighten both bolts to 10 Nm. After tightening the bolts, start your engine and listen carefully. The rattling or ticking sound should now be gone, indicating a successful adjustment. If the noise persists, your tensioner might be worn out and require replacement rather than just an adjustment. Regular oil changes and routine inspections of your cam chain system can help maintain optimal engine health and prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.